Hello, my name is Father Jacob Rouse, and I am the pastor of Notre Dame Parish in Cresco, Iowa. And for today's Corona Minute, I would like to continue to tell you how to read, study, and eventually fall in love with sacred scripture. We are talking about the Psalms today, and what I'd like you to do is read one gospel passage every single day and read one psalm every single day, and you'll get there. We'll worry about the Old Testament, we'll worry about the letters another day in another set of videos. But right now, I went to Doe and Joe's here in Cresco and bought a donut. There was some slim pickings, and I'm not really sure what is inside of this donut. So we are going to cut it open and see what we can find. Okay, there's a chocolate exterior, deliciously baked donut exterior, and looks like a white cream on the inside. Okay, very good, very good. But I really won't know what this donut is until I take a bite of it. That's why I'd like to direct you to the three types of psalms. The book of Psalms in the Bible contains roughly three different types: a praise psalm, a thanksgiving psalm, and a lament psalm. They're all meant to be used in liturgy in the ancient Jewish rituals of the Old Testament. Praise is praising God, praising Yahweh for all he's done. Thanksgiving is calling to mind everything that you've been delivered from and everything that good has happened to you. And then lament is calling out your own despair, your own suffering, and everything that you've been through, and then realizing that God will deliver you from that suffering. So when you look at the language and everything of the Psalms, you could kind of make those fit into loosely one of those three categories, but it's not until you take a bite that you can figure out whether this could be a jelly donut, a Bismarck, or a Bavarian cream. My favorite, Bavarian cream. Thank you, Doe and Joe's here in Cresco, Iowa. I hope you can start reading the Psalms and figure out and write down next to the title of the Psalm if they are a praise, a thanksgiving, or a lament psalm. That's all I have to say. I hope you go wash your hands. Have a donut.